Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is this General Electric washing machine, 10 kg washer and 6 kg dryer front loader washing machine. This machine having actually earlier having a lot of issue, that's mean its bearing gone also, and some error message. Now everything we repaired. Now I'm going to show you in this machine how to how to check inlet valve, also motor, and while when we are selecting dry option, what are the error message, major error message I'm going to show you. Now we will go to the next step. How to test this machine? We can test inlet valve, door lock, and direct drive. This is DD motor, direct drive motor. Now I'm going to show you how to test this machine. We have to press together rings and speed at the same time. We have to press power button like that. It will come. See, now you can hear the door lock. Now while we are pressing start pause button, realize inlet valve. Now you can see here water coming. Already inlet valve already got realized. Now after pressing, we have to select until come here 0. Now I am pressing again. Now you can see here, this one we have to press until come 0. Now it's okay. Now motor will start. Here you can see motor already got start. This is the way how to check inlet valve, door switch, and direct motor, DD motor. Also we can check pump also. Now I'm going to show you how to check what kind of error message will come after getting defect pressure sensor. Now it should come PE error message. Also when you select dry option, if it is sensor not working, what kind of error, it will come TE1 and TE2, also DHE. Now I'm going to show you how to check pressure sensor first. Now I will shut down the machine. Also the top cover here. Now what I'm going to do here, I will disconnect the pressure sensor power connection here. Now I will start the machine again. Now I already disconnect the power. Also I disconnect from the pressure sensor. Now I will on the machine. Now you can see PE error message, it's continuously coming. Also at the same time drain pump continuously working. This is the error message for the pressure sensor. If it is PE error, it's coming at the same time. You have to check the connection. You have to if it is damage, if it is defect, you have to replace the pressure sensor. After that your problem will get resolved. That's mean PE error message is not showing again. Now I will power off again, and also I will give the connections again. Now already connected. Now again I will give the power connection. Here I will on the machine. Now I can select any option. That's mean this pressure sensor is okay, no any issue. Whatever we can select. Now you understood against the PE error message, General Electric front loader washing machine. Now I'm selecting dry option here. You can see here this section cotton, wash and dry also together, also only the separate dry. Now I'm selecting only separate dry, this option, 2 hour and to 20 minutes, only dry option, not wash option. Now I will start the machine. Now you can see here only the indicator, it's showing only the separate dry, already got locked door. Now what I'm going to do here, sensor 1, this one, sensor 1. Now I'm disconnecting this sensor 1. At the same time it will show TE1 error message. Now I already disconnected this one. Now you can see here TE1 error showing. That means sensor 1, if it is getting defect, this sensor here, sensor, if it is defect, it will show TE1 error message. Now if it is your washing machine showing TE1 error, you have to replace this sensor. This is the sensor, this is the sensor 1, and after that your problem will get resolved. Now I'm going to show you other sensor also. We have to fix it like that. Other sensor is here, dry sensor. If it is two sensor, why is they modified? If it is your fabric not 100% dry, through this sensor it will check. If it is not 100% dry, this sensor realizing and increasing dry time. Now I will release this one, disconnected. Now it will show TE2 error message. Now I will start the machine again, dry option. Now you can see here TE2 error message is showing. You can see here. That means if it is this sensor defect, it will show TE2 error message. Now I will connect. I will connect this one. Also now I'm going to release this one. You can see here I'm going to disconnect the blower line. Now you can see here I disconnect blower line. Again I'm selecting dry option, only the separate dry, and I will start the machine. Now you can see what kind of error it will show. After disconnecting blower line, heater working at the same time, but in this machine not showing any error message. It should come DHE or something error message, but this machine not showing. Because of that, actually if it is damaged or not working blower, you are not identify manually, you have to check, because the error message not showing because of that. Now you know how to repair. It is showing PE error message and TE1 and TE2 with General Electric front loader washing machine. You have to do the same job. That's mean if it is PE pressure sensor, if it is showing PE message, at the same time you have to check the pressure sensor related, all the wiring, harness assemble and everything. If it is okay, you have to replace the pressure sensor. If it is showing TE1, you have to check the first sensor blower, underneath the blower sensor, dry duct, with the dry duct. Also TE2 also same. Now my explanation is completed. Now I think you learned something while watching this video, and we will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again. Thanks for watching my channel again. Thanks.